So for our video repetition, we will be talking about auto-theology and duty. For our philosophical question, we ask, is moral value inherently an end in itself? And if so, how does this theology differ from the pursuit of other objective values? Our thesis statement, moral value is an end in itself, with a unique theological character tied to the self-realization and fulfillment of the human person. For our paraphrase statement, moral value is an intrinsic end with a unique teleology tied to self-realization. For our first point, moral value is an inherent aim in human actions. For our second point, moral value differs from other objectives as it involves self-realization and personal fulfillment. For our third and last point, moral value is linked to the individual's desire for goodness itself, not just external goods.
So, objection to point number 1. Some may argue that human actions are frequently motivated by self-interest, personal desires, or societal influences rather than a fundamental pursuit of moral value. Objection to number 2. An objection could be that many objectives like career success or relationships also involve self-realization and fulfillment, not just moral values. Objection to point number 3. Others might object that individuals often seek moral value as a means to gain social approval or personal benefits rather than from a genuine desire for goodness itself. So our answer to objection number 1, the pursuit of moral value often aligns with self-interest and social and societal influences, as ethical actions can provide fulfillment and societal cohesion. Answer to objection number 2, career success and relationships may involve self-realization and fulfillment, but moral value specifically focuses on principles of ethical behavior and inherent goodness. Answer to objection number 3, some may pursue moral value for social approval or personal gain, but genuine adherence to moral principles typically stems from a sincere desire to embody goodness and ethical conduct.
Insight on point number 1. The universal desire for moral behavior is highlighted by acknowledging the goal of moral worth that is ingrained in human behavior. Insight on point number 2. Moral worth sets itself apart from other goals by highlighting the pursuit of moral behavior and the innate desire of goodness. Insight on point number 3. A sincere desire to defend moral standards and represent kindness in the face of outside forces is the root of genuine loyalty to moral principles. To sum up, moral value is different from other objective values in that it emphasizes self-realization and personal fulfillment through the pursuit of kindness and ethical behavior, making it a goal in and of itself. The fundamental elements of moral worth are the innate desire for moral activity and the achievement of one's moral potential, despite arguments that may be based regarding the reasons for moral activities. Now, in our daily encounters, we try to respect moral principles and make ethical judgments. Our goal is to act with honesty and compassion, putting other people's welfare first. We intend to make a positive impact on the world around us and carry on along a road of personal development and fulfillment by realizing the intrinsic worth of moral virtue and its significance in self-realization.